Hmm. Ah. Da, 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 da. So we're going to light this, and we're going to pump that. It's going to pump smoke through that. So we have our own homemade smoke machine. Make sure to plug off all other sources. Like, you don't want this getting into the top of your engine, obviously. And I think you also want to make sure and cut this off before it gets to your evap canister, your charcoal canisters, because you don't want to get those contaminated. But more importantly, once you find your leaks, stop this immediately, because you don't want to get too much of this tar in there and you want to blow it all out when you're done. So enjoy.